What's up, guys? Car Reviews here. In this video, we're going to be talking about the drone. I have a Resonator delete. I have an aftermarket exhaust. A little bit work done to the engine. We're going to be talking about the drone. So right now, we're going about 2100 RPMs, about 57 miles an hour, maybe 59 now. Now we're going 60. And my foot is like 1/4 on the gas. Now I let it go. How bad is the drone? The car is loud. The drone can be annoying and it can be super loud, but I don't care because I love how the car sounds. Alright. Show you guys how the drone sound driving on the street. This is with the windows up. How it sound with the windows up. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys hear how it sound with the windows down. How it sounds with the window down. And I'm gonna do a flyby. Once again, this is how the car looks. 2002 Honda Accord. This is how it looks after it got washed. This is how it looks Alright guys, so that's gonna conclude this video. Sorry there's a lot of cuts in the video, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, 2002 Honda Accord. In a future video, I'll explain everything I did to the car, from visuals to performance wise. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love the Resonator delete. If you guys thinking about doing it, go ahead, do it. It's gonna be loud, but whatever. Be loud and proud. Enjoy your car. Remember, built, not bought. There we go. Built, not bought. Alright? Have a good one, guys.